Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. So today, what we got going today is we are doing an oil change on the Weapon RX. So what we're doing, November 6th. November 6th is a big rotary event. I'm trying to get this car to 7 stock. It's November 6th, which is less than 4 months, give or take. So we've already upgraded the turbo, upgraded the computer system, upgraded the fuel system. If you've seen the last video, I kind of gave a build breakdown of everything that's going on. Needless to say, is I want to change the oil to a thicker oil, going back to 2050. I need to do the exhaust, and we got to get it tuned. So today's episode is we're doing oil change. Let's get to it. And just like that, the oil change is done. Everything looks good. Got the thicker oil in, and we are one step closer to 7 stock. 7 stock is a big rotary event where Mazda brings their race cars. Everybody that has a rotary shows up. It's one of the biggest car shows, and you can actually get on the track as well. So we're one step closer. On the next episode, we're going to tackle some, not electrical issues, but some electrical things that need to be addressed. So in the next episode, we'll tackle that. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss another episode, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.